A very good afternoon, students. I am Sushma Bhavne. Today I will explain you parabola by rectangle method. There is a problem to discuss this method. Draw a parabola by rectangle method when we have given the base and height, or we can say it as an axis. The base is 100 mm and the axis, or we can say height, is 70 millimeter. Okay. This I have drawn a rough figure in which you can see that this is the base and this is the height of a parabola. Now we will draw this parabola by rectangle method. So for it, at the very first, we will draw a base of 100 millimeter, means 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter line, which is the base AB. Then we will take the middle point of it, which will be at 5 centimeter. Now we will draw the axis height, which is given as 7 centimeter. 70 mm means 7 centimeter. But this axis should be perpendicular to this base, which is your horizontal line. So for that, I will use protractor. We will mark a point O and put this protractor at center point and take 90-degree line, which is perpendicular to AB, and this height should be 7 centimeter. This is the axis height. So we will do like this. Then, since it is a rectangle method, so we will again draw two perpendicular lines from A and B. It may be drawn by the use of this roller scale, or we can draw two perpendicular lines from A and from B, so that we can get the accuracy in this figure. Okay, I have drawn two perpendicular lines now, and these lines are also of 7 centimeter. In this way, we can complete the rectangle. Name this rectangle as A, B, C, D, and name the axis as EO. Now, we will divide this horizontal line AO and this vertical line AD into same number of equal parts. For that, we can see that this AO length is your 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter. Which one? AO line. Okay, and this AD line is of 7 centimeter. So both can be divided into same equal part if we divide this 5 centimeter by 5 and this 7 centimeter also by 5. Then I will get 1 centimeter here. 7 divided by 5 means 1.4 centimeter. This means this AO line will be divided into 5 parts and each part will be of 1 centimeter. In the similar way, AD line will be divided in 5 equal parts and each part will be of 1.4 centimeter. Now we will do the same thing. Okay. This is the AO line. This is AO line and we will divide it into 5 equal parts and each part will be of 1 centimeter. So we will divide this AO line in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. And in the similar way, here OB line will be divided in the same 5 equal parts and each part will be of 1 centimeter. So I will take 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. In this way, I have divided this AO in 5 equal parts. Okay. Now in the same way, this AD line should be divided into 5 equal parts also and each part will be of 1.4 centimeter. So we will put the scale here and take the distance of 1.4 each. Okay. So this is first part 1.4, then 1.4, then again 1.4. Okay. We can divide it with the help of divider also. Okay. Now in this way we have done this thing completed and we will give the naming as 1, 2, 3, 4 to AO line and 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash in AD line. Okay. In the similar way, BC line will be divided also into 5 equal parts. For that, what we will do? We will use the roller scale simply and shift these points, or we can also use scale or divider. First point, second point. Okay. Or we can say like this. Okay. 1.4, 1.4. Again give the naming as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. Now to draw the parabola in this rectangle method, I will join all these 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash point with E, but with light pencil. Join these lines 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, all these points with point E, which is the topmost point of your axis. Okay. In the similar way we will do here also. Join 4 dash with E, 3 dash with E, 2 dash with E, and 1 dash with E. Now we will draw the perpendicular lines from 1, 2, 3, 4, or we can say the parallel line parallel to AD, okay, from 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will do it. We will draw a perpendicular line from 1 in such a way that it will cut the 1 dash E line at point P1. Okay, in this way first point we have received. Okay, then in the similar way, draw a perpendicular line from 2 and stop it to meet the second line of 2 dash E and stop it in such a way that we will get second point. Then in the same way, again draw a perpendicular line from 3 and stop it at a point which will meet the third line 3 dash E and give the naming as P3. In the similar way, we will draw a perpendicular line from 4 also in such a way that it will meet the line of 4 dash E at P4. The same way we will adopt here also on the right hand side. Again we will draw a perpendicular line from 4 and meet at 4 dash E at P4. Then again perpendicular line from 3 which will meet at E3 dash line. Then again we will draw a perpendicular line from 2 in such a way that it will meet at 2 dash E line at P2 and this third line at P3. In the similar way, we will draw a perpendicular line from 1 and stop it to meet the 1 dash E line at P1. In this way, we have got all the points of parabola. Now we have to join with the help of French curve. Okay. So, we will start from here. You can see that each points are meeting in the single stroke. Okay. Now in the same way we will join from here also. And you can see that each point is meeting and we will get the smooth curve. This curve should be dark. So, all these things will be light and only this curve should be dark. Okay. Now, finally, this will be the darker one. Okay. Now finally we will give the dimensioning. This is of 100 mm. So dimension it. $100 mm. And also dimension the line AD, which is your height, and it is 70 mm. In this way, we have completed the parabola by rectangle method.